what's up? It's Amena. So today I am so excited because I finally have my DNA test results that I did with 23andMe. Okay, so a little bit of background on me just in case there's anybody here that doesn't know, even though I'm a broken record. So basically I'm 100% Sudanese. Both of my parents came from Sudan. Both of my parents live in Khartoum, Sudan, which is the capital, and tribes are a big thing in Sudan, so everybody's kind of associated with a tribe. And mine is Denagla, so I'm a Dongolawiya. That's kind of in northern Sudan. So I have never seen a Sudanese person do a genetic test video, at least on YouTube. There might be, but I've never seen it. And so I'm actually really excited. I am looking on my laptop right here. Let's get into the actual results now. So I'll start off with my maternal haplogroup. And for those of y'all that don't know what that means, your maternal haplogroup tells you about your maternal line ancestors from your mother to her mother and beyond. So this is my mother, LOA. And the thing that I found really cool about this haplogroup is that this existed 55,000 years ago, which is crazy. That's like ancient times, and it covers the region of Central, Eastern, and Southern Africa, which is pretty broad. But anyways, all right, so then let's get into the reports. That's what everybody wants to see. All right, so my highest percentage was 62.3%, and that is, dun dun dun, Sub-Saharan African. Not a surprise. Of that 62.3%, we have 54.1% East African, 6% West African, 0.1% Central and South African, and 2.2% broadly Sub-Saharan African. So basically, I'm every type of African there is. No, basically, I'm East African and a little bit of West African, which is cool. I didn't expect that. My next highest percentage is 28.8%, and that is Middle East and North Africa. Now this is the crazy part. Majority of us thought like Sudanese people are mixed Africans and Arabs. You know, it happened over 1,000 years ago. Arabs came, they mixed with the people, blah, 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 blah. But according to this, I am 28.6% North African. The Middle Eastern that I could possibly have is 0.3%. Somebody can maybe tell me what that means, because for me, when I look at this, I'm reading that I'm not Arab. Like not even 1%, according to this thing. I don't know the history exactly of North Africa, but from some of the comments, I don't know, y'all were telling me that North Africans are not Arabs, so this is really weird. This is really weird. Okay. Hey. All right, so then the next percentages are so small, they're like 3% and below, that I'm not going to spend that much time on them. So we have 3.3% South Asian. I really don't know where this came from, but okay. It says it can be anywhere from India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Bangladesh. Fine. Then 2.5% European, and then we have 3% unassigned, so they just don't have enough information to exactly pinpoint what it is. When I look at these percentages, I guess if I'm adding up like all of the African percentages, then I am 90% African, which that's pretty pure. That's pretty damn pure. Most people are mixed. So that was my test results, and this is only with a 50% confidence rate. Keep that in mind. They really don't have that many people right now. When I looked at how many people's data they had to compare it to, they only have like over 600 people. So they really don't have that much information. Actually, I forgot to mention this, but if you're from Sudan, you can actually get your DNA tested for free. You just have to have all 4 of your grandparents born in Sudan, and you have to live in the US. So, you know, if you guys are interested, there's some other countries too, so I'll list them all like right here. So if you guys are interested, I would take advantage of that like right now because it's free completely. I really don't see my results as that surprising. I think it fits with the history, at least that we know, because of all of the ancient empires, you know, pretty much back then Egypt and Sudan were one country. So it makes sense to me that I would have a lot of North African in me. So that part makes sense. The East African part, I mean, that makes sense. Sudan is literally in Northeast Africa. Well, it was before it split. it. The big thing was the mixture. A lot of people were telling me, you guys are telling me, like, I bet you're gonna be mixed with Arab, which kind of leads me now to believe more so. The Arabs did come in mixed, but it's like putting a spoon of salt in water. Like, you have traces of it here and there, but it's not major, you know. Please, please, please let me know what you guys think. Share any information and knowledge that you have regarding Sudanese genetics. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. I'm being so awkward because I'm holding my mic in one hand. So yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!